Graham Stephan. You've seen his face on finance videos, you've heard his advice on saving every dollar, and maybe you've even tried some of his money hacks. But how much money does he actually make? Just from YouTube. Not his net worth, not his real estate, just YouTube videos and the businesses around them. The number might blow your mind. In this video, I'm going to give you the full breakdown, backed by public data, expert tools, and Graham's own words. So make sure you stick around till the end because the final income stream is where the real money lies. Graham Stephan isn't just a YouTuber. He's basically the poster child for modern financial influencers. He started uploading videos back in 2016, and today, in 2025, he's built a full-blown empire off of YouTube videos. With over 4 million subscribers on his main channel and more across his other platforms, Graham has turned the camera, some spreadsheets, and a ton of financial knowledge into millions of dollars. But here's what makes it even more interesting. Graham has been one of the most transparent creators when it comes to money. He's shown us his revenue, he's posted his AdSense screenshots, he's openly discussed what he makes from YouTube sponsors, courses, and even his real estate. That gives us a rare chance to reverse engineer his YouTube income and learn how this stuff really works. So today we're gonna break down these 5 things. 1. How much Graham makes from his YouTube AdSense. 2. What he really gets paid for sponsorships. 3. His affiliate marketing game. And 5. We're gonna talk about a few surprise sources you probably didn't know about. Let's begin. Part 1. AdSense revenue. This is the money creators earn directly from YouTube when ads play on their videos. It's usually the first income stream people think of, but for Graham, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Because Graham talks about money, investing, and business, his channel sits on a very high CPM niche. CPM means cost per mile, or in other words, it means how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views for YouTube videos. Most creators make $2 to $5 per 1,000 views, but Graham, he can earn between $20, $30, and even $40 per 1,000 views in gross revenue. Now, YouTube takes a 45% cut, so Graham's net CPM might be more like 10 to 15 per 1,000 views. Still extremely high. Based on Social Blade data and his upload patterns, Graham's main channel usually gets between 3 to 5 million views per month. During hot content or viral videos, that can even spike up to 7 million. So let's do the math together. 3 million views times $10 CPM, that is $30,000 a month. And let's look at 5 million views. How much is that? 5 million views times a $15 CPM, that's $75,000 per month. And remember, that's just the main channel. He also runs the Graham Stephan Show, which is a reaction and a commentary style channel, and the Iced Coffee Hour podcast, which is monetized with both his ads and sponsors. All combined, his total AdSense income could easily sit between $50,000 and $100,000 per month just from ad revenue. In fact, Graham once revealed he made $196,000 from AdSense in a single month during the 2020 boom. And while that was a peak, it proves what's possible when the algorithm loves you. So yes, AdSense alone puts him well into the 6 figures annually, but wait until you hear how much he makes from sponsors. And keep watching till the end because you're going to be shocked by what we uncover. Part 2. Sponsorships. Let's talk about brand deals. Arguably the most lucrative piece of the YouTube pie for creators like Graham. Finance sponsors pay a premium. Why? Because Graham's audience is exactly who advertisers want. High-income, educated adults who are interested in saving, investing, and building wealth. That means they're more likely to open a brokerage account, sign up for a credit card, or buy a premium financial tool. These are companies like Webull, Public, NordVPN, established titles, and credit card companies like American Express. They love working with Graham. So how much does he make? According to industry insiders and leaked sponsorship rate cards, finance YouTubers with Graham's audience size can make around $20,000 to $50,000 per integration. That's just for one mention inside one video. If Graham does just 2 to 4 brand deals per month, and he often does, he's bringing in anywhere from $60,000 to $150,000 per month from sponsorships alone. And here's the kicker. Many of these sponsors don't just pay once. If a campaign performs well, they'll pay him again, often on retainer or even with performance-based bonuses. This income stream could alone rival or even surpass ad. Part 3. Affiliate marketing. Now we're getting into affiliate links, the secret weapon of creators who know how to sell without selling. Affiliate marketing is when you share a special link, and if someone signs up or buys something through that link, you earn a commission. For Graham, this means credit card affiliate programs, which give him sometimes around $100 to $200 per sign up, brokerages like Webull or Robinhood giving him $50 to $150 per sign up, and personal finance tools and apps, for example for tracking or budgeting. If just 500 people click a credit card link in one of his videos, that could be worth around $50,000 in commission. Now factor in passive clicks on old videos, email list referrals, and TikTok/Instagram traffic boosts. Even at a conservative estimate, Graham likely makes $20,000 to $60,000 per month from affiliate marketing, and it's scalable. More videos equals more links equals more clicks. Part 4. Courses, podcasts, and side hustles. Next up is Graham's own products and platforms. He sells online courses mostly focused on real estate investing for beginners and how to grow a YouTube channel. These are hosted on platforms like Teachable or Kajabi and priced between $99 and $499. If just 500 people a month buy a $200 course, that's $100,000 per month. He also earns from podcast sponsorships on the Iced Coffee Hour, merchandise and brand collabs, real estate partnerships and equity deals. Put this all together and you're easily looking at another $50,000 to $100,000 per month, possibly more during a product launch or a Black Friday sale. So now let's estimate his total monthly income. First of all, his YouTube AdSense is getting $50,000 to $100,000 per month. Sponsorships, $60,000 to $150,000. Affiliate marketing, $20,000 to $60,000. Courses and other products, $50,000 to $100,000 per month. So the estimated monthly total is $180,000 to $410,000. And it could go up from there. That's over $2 million to nearly $5 million per year, just from his online income streams. No real estate counted. And what's most impressive is that Graham has built this around content he actually enjoys making. So what can we learn from Graham's income breakdown? First, he didn't rely on one stream, he diversified fast. Most new creators focus only on AdSense, but Graham leaned into sponsorships, affiliates, and products early on. Second, he provided real value. He didn't clickbait, he just taught. He built trust. And third, he scaled up without burning out. From outsourcing editing to launching new channels to building a podcast, he expanded without losing focus. This model is repeatable, not easy, but repeatable. So now you know exactly how much Stephan makes every single month, and more importantly, how he makes it. If that inspired you or gave you a clearer picture of what's possible online, hit that like button. Drop a comment if you want me to break down other YouTubers' income streams, and comment below if I missed out on anything. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.